Looking for a tiny fruit with big health benefits? Meet Gerb's dried Zante Currants, nature's little superfood, packed with vitamin C, antioxidants, fiber, and essential minerals to fuel your day. Whether you're boosting your immunity, supporting heart health, or just craving a deliciously nutritious snack, Gerb's has you covered. Wait, here's the best part. Our currants are free from 14 common food allergens and made in Rhode Island by the Conti family since 2003. Toss them into oatmeal, yogurt, a morning smoothie bowl, or make neighbors jealous and bake them into muffins or cookies. Check this out. Looking for something fun to do with the kiddos this weekend? Get creative with a bunch of Gerb's products and make some batches of homemade trail mix. Tiny in size, big on flavor. Taste the goodness of Gerb's currants. Order now at www.mygerbs.com. That's www.mygerbs.com.